How to make dual app on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can make dual app on Android. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're looking for the process on how we can make the dual app on Android, by default, there is some settings on your device already. You just need to head over to the main settings of your device and you just need to scroll down a bit until you are able to see advanced features on your settings. After clicking on it, you just launch this dual messenger. You can see this, and when you tap on it, these are the messaging app. By default, the device allows them to create their own dual version on the device. So if you enable this option and tap on install, the dual version or second copy of this particular application will be downloaded on your device. But apart from these messaging app, if you want to create a dual version or a dual copy of other apps that are available on your device, you need to have this parallel space application downloaded on your device, which is easily available on any of the app store. After that, simply launch the parallel space. Go on with opening the parallel space on your device. After that, just wait for it to load. After it is loaded, you can see all of these applications that you may create a dual app for. So you can see these options here. You would just use these apps like this one right here. You can see this add to parallel space. Just tap and add it to parallel space. After that, it will create the dual version, and you need to tap on WhatsApp or any of these applications and sign in into your second account. After that, your dual version of this app should be created. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to do it very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.